Hey everyone, it's Cheryl Harris with Cheryl Harris Enterprises. Thank you so much for stopping by my video series today. This is my Get Lean Lifestyle series, my 4-part training that I'm going to be sending to you over the next couple of days. And so today I'm sitting here in my living room and I'm actually relaxing and chilling until I'm actually going to see my next clients this evening. So what I wanted to do was I wanted to make this quick video for you today and be on the lookout, as I stated, for 3 more additional ones regarding my Get Lean Lifestyle series. Now, Get Lean, L-E-A-N, stands for a lifestyle, exercise, attitude, and nutrition. What I wanted to do was get you and set you up for a jump start for my new Get Lean Lifestyle program coming up so that you can begin to live an optimum wellness lifestyle today. So today I'm going to talk about lifestyle. Now, lifestyle consists of wellness, time, and a way of living. Now, pay attention to that phrase, a way of living. A way of living, wellness, and time. And this is what I posed the other day. I posed a question via social media and my exclusive notification list. What is the one most single thing that hinders or challenges you from achieving your wellness and fitness goals? And the majority of you said the top 3 things: consistency, time management, and staying motivated. Now, to achieve all those so that you can get your optimum wellness lifestyle, is you're going to have to start making simple lifestyle adjustments. You can't do what you did at 25 that you're trying to do at 45. So if you're 35 today and you're still trying to do things you did at the age of 20, that's not going to happen. There's certain things that you have to change and that you have to do in order to live the optimum wellness lifestyles. Our bodies are different. Our minds are different. Our thinking should be different. So you want to make those simple lifestyle adjustments. That's number 1. Number 2, you want to start connecting with the right people. Connect with the people that's going to help you get you to where you need to go in your wellness and fitness goals. There's a lot of noise out here. There's a lot of busy business professionals out here who are overwhelmed with workloads, family, careers, just certain things that they have to do for everybody else. Everybody's busy. Everybody has a lot of things on them in today's society. Now, just because it's a lot going on in the world does not mean you have to participate in it. So what I want you to do is to take a few steps back, reevaluate what your desire is and what your wellness and fitness goals are. What's your desire? You desire to be healthy. You desire to be well. You desire to have your mind, your body, and your spirit at an optimum level to where you're just feeling more sexier, more happier, and just feeling really good about yourself. So I want you to start taking note and start paying attention to the things that you're currently doing right now and just start making simple lifestyle adjustments. Don't go in gun-ho, because when you do that, sometimes people get discouraged and things come back on you twofold. So stay tuned. I want you to stick around. I have 3 more video series coming up. I want you to share this video with your friends. Now, I spoke of my Get Lean Lifestyle series. That's coming up towards the end of this month. I want you to stick around, but without that going on right now, without that being given to you at this very moment, I need to set you up. I need to get you acclimated. I need to get you positioned to where you can begin to live an optimum wellness lifestyle today, right now. And that key is make simple lifestyle adjustments. Now, in this Get Lean Lifestyle program, I'm only accepting 10 highly committed individuals. No holds bars. Someone that wants the next level transformation. Someone that's ready to get started right now. They're saying, Cheryl, I'm tired. I'm sick and tired of being sick and tired. I'm ready to get it out and get it on. It's too many people out here talking a whole lot of noise and I'm confused and don't know which way to go. I'm going to help you out. So stick around. Look out for the videos and I will see you on the other side. I want you to be well, be fit, and be fab. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.